What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jay. As you know, I make this channel talking about parting out cars and selling car parts on eBay. Today's video is going to be about how I have not been having a great summer on eBay. I'm not sure if it's just me or if you guys that are following this are not doing that well either, but I have found it very difficult to be selling car parts this year. I had some of the best months at the beginning of the summer, end of spring, but for the last couple months, I have literally been only selling a couple car parts a month. It's been the slowest time I've ever had before, so it is kind of strange. The craziest part about it is that I have a lot of stuff listed. I think I still have almost 50 items listed on eBay right now that total up to around, $12,000 or $13,000 worth of stuff. I know that when I've been slow before, I barely had anything on eBay. I didn't have that much listed, but I listed a whole bunch at the end of the springtime, but they just have not been selling. So I don't know if it's just the time right now. People aren't sure if they're going to be spending money on car parts and fixing up their vehicles. It's summer, people are out doing other stuff, going on vacations and all of that. And then obviously every day you hear about how the economy is. So I'm not sure if people are just worried or what's going on, but I'm here to tell you that I have been dead. In the next couple weeks, I will probably do some monthly updates for you guys, but they are very short because there's not much going on. In spring, I had some of the best months ever. I sold a ton of parts for a lot of money, and then it was like a light switch and everything turned off. So I just wanted to make this little update for you guys. Let me know if you guys are struggling also. I have a lot more stuff to list, but I'm trying to get some other stuff done around the house right now. And seeing that none of my other stuff is selling, I haven't really made it a priority right now to list anything else. So just a quick little video for you guys. It's, eBay is hard. It goes up and down. I've been through up and downs before, but this summer has definitely been a very low point of selling car parts on eBay. I did just list some wheels and tires on Facebook Marketplace, so I'm wondering if I'm going to get any hits on that, quicker than if I were to put them on eBay and had to ship them. So I do have some stuff out there. I'm just waiting back, hoping to sell everything. So the other thing that if you guys watch all my videos, especially the ones about eBay, you can see that I'm not in my office. We have some family staying with us right now for the last month, so I have not been able to use my office. I'm down here in front of my big toolbox right here. And this toolbox being home signifies a big change in my life that I will touch down in the next couple weeks probably to let you guys know what's going on. But eBay and YouTube and everything might take a little change for a little bit, or I might have to do a break. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to take a break. I would like to not take a break, but I don't know. So I'm going to make an update for you guys on that whole thing shortly. But like I said, the main reason I want to make this video is just telling you guys that I have been dead on eBay. Would love to know what you guys are doing. If you guys are still selling tons of car parts, maybe it is just me. I really probably need to go look at the prices, maybe drop some of the prices down a little bit. I usually price everything pretty much in the middle, but maybe if I drop everything down, a couple dollars, maybe they'll start selling. So if you guys are feeling like me and, this summer's not good, just keep your head up, keep everything on there. If it's listed, people are looking at it. So don't worry, keep everything up there, and hopefully we can turn this around and start making some extra money. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.